Hi, hello. In today's episode of ICP Tutorials, we are going to talk about the calendar. So today we have the 25th of January, as you can see from this view. And today I'm going to have to perform three tasks. So let's start from the top. Basically, it's a teamwork calendar and it's an interactive calendar because basically what you can do with it is you can define your team. So you just click here and search for a particular user, for example, Peter Smith, right? And you just add this person to the calendar and you can see how many tasks this person, which is designated by this color, very bright light green, has on a particular day. But what is the most interesting thing about IC project is, let's have a look. This particular tasks are shown in this view as deadlines. So it's a task which is assigned to me from a project, how to use Kanban boards, from particular board sales pipeline, and it's named Johnson & Johnson, and the deadline is for today because today we have the 25th of January 2023. So yeah, that is the most redeeming and the greatest quality of this calendar. So it's integrated with the project management module, and it really stands out. Let me give you a case study of, for example, if you want to, let's say you have a customer management problems, and for example, Peter is a customer manager, right? So he has a lot of clients and he works with deadlines, for example, deals. So basically, on this great interactive view, he can have deadlines of deals at one interactive view. So this is a deadline, for example, of a corporation between your client and here and here and here. So basically, it's all clickable. You can just click on a task and it slides from this screen, and you can manage this task. And it's it shows you the deadline of the offer of the deal, if it's based on a subscription model, just like ICP is. So yeah, that's really great. And you can manage your team workload here too, because you can see how many tasks for a particular month from particular project Alicia has, or for example, Barbara has, and Peter has. So it's a great tool to manage deals and manage documents. So for example, you can treat it each task as a document, and that's why you can, and this is how you can manage the documentation. So if you have a document that is required to be sent on today, like today, and so you can do it basically by using this interactive great view of IC project. What's more, you can filter, and for example, this calendar with regard to tasks, and these tasks, as I told you before, correspond to projects. So basically, there is a question which really is repeating itself. So what particular tasks do I see, or with regard to permission? So if you haven't been assigned to a project or a task, you're not going to see other people's tasks. So we really have this organized well. And just like I told you, you can filter basically this calendar with regard to tasks or, for example, events. And what's more, so for example, yesterday I've been recording for you this tutorial, other modules, and I booked a conference room, yeah, so recording studio. So you can type your events like so. So on the 24th, I've booked basically this recording studio. So also I can see that 4 people are taking part in this recording session, as you can read, yeah. So it lasts from 8 to 2:30 p.m. So you can basically, book other company assets here. What's more, it also has this great HR feature, so you can basically see where and when somebody reported an absence, like so. For example, I reported absence vacation leave on the 27th of January. Of course, we have a module to manage the absences, and it works really, really well. What's more, let's have a look at events. So this you can filter, just like I told you, you can filter the calendar with regard to events. So basically I have 5 events for this month, and whenever you want to create an event, it's really, really intuitive. The system will assign automatically each and every person that has been filtered here. So you're basically managing the company's team, and you just create an event, save it. You can basically add a contractor to the event, add a location, choose a category, yeah, and basically decide who is decisive, so who can change the date of it. You just save it, it lands right here. And so what happens right now is that IC Project sends out automatically notifications to all of these users, and we have a 3-sided notification system. So it sends a notification via the bell here, the application, mobile application, and you also will have a notification that it's going to go to your mail. So there is no chance that, in any way, nobody will tell you that he or she has not received notifications. So it's a great risk managing tool. 2, for example, if I want to change the date of an event, I just do it automatically. I just drag and drop whenever I want the event to go, and also ICP is going to send notifications to each and every person who's taking part in this event. So it's a really, really useful tool. What's more, we might want to discuss absences right now, because it's one thing that companies really, really like. So basically you can report an absence, like here, and you can submit your application. You can print it out, basically. You can download it as a PDF file, and here you have a module which will allow the person who has the permission to manage absences to organize and manage these leaves and absences with regard to particular year and with regard to days transferred. And he can also choose a particular user and see and manage the absences like so. All right, that would be all if it comes to calendar. It's a really great tool. Again, the best thing about it is the tasks that show the deadlines of particular tasks from projects. So again, yeah, this is a great tool. So thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. Have a great day. Take care.